One of the most real advice out there that not a lot of like YouTubers really like kind of like talk about is really like investing is a journey, that concept of it. What's up guys, my name is Kevin and today I'll be talking about why investing is a journey. This is going to be the one of the most real advice out there in the personal finance and long-term investing niche, but really like investing is going to be a journey and a process. There's no really such thing as getting rich quick. If there was, many people would be doing it, including me. And if you think about it, like stories of very successful people in business, actors, celebrities, musicians, in all areas of life, scientists, they had like a story to tell and they didn't become an overnight sensation, or maybe they did from TikTok, but it took most people years or even decades to become a master or become well respected in their certain area of life or niche, their brand, their reputation. And it's the same thing with investing. Investing the first few years, it's all about like just trying and experimenting with just like everything. That's kind of like what I did in 2019. You got to experiment in something in life and see what the heck you want, right? If you know what I mean. Like I tried momentum trading, day trading, option trading, going into different groups, paid groups that tell me what to invest in, what option trades to pick, contracts, what to day trade. It didn't work out for me. I was not thinking for myself and I was just like a drifter in a sense. I was allowing other people to think for myself and I was not thinking resonates with me and my kind of like intuition. And I just learned from experimenting with that side of investing. There has to be a more sustainable, less riskier thing. And it's really just long-term investing. And if you think of the stock market, you kind of think of Warren Buffett. You heard of Charlie Munger, Ray Dalio. Those are like the main three like most people like talk about or have heard of. And what they are, they're well-respected investors. They invest in different asset classes or invest into their circle of competence, investing in things they know and understand on a high level. And all of them have common things about them. Do you know what the power of compounding? Look up a compounding interest calculator on Google. Number 2, they have like that mindset or ingrained into themselves. When they're making an investment, do they really care what happens a week, month, or even year? They are investing for the long term, 3-5 years down the line. And if you want to try to get rich quick, why not do it? It's not going to be sustainable. You could pump and dump cryptos, follow these influencers that have a reputation of investing or have a personal finance knowledge. They invest in it to get a quick buck. They're very, I guess, satisfied short term, but really long term, they don't have that, I guess, mindset ingrained. Bring back to like life too. Like if you want to grow your career, climb that ladder. If you want to go that route in life, or your dream of becoming a CEO or CFO or becoming a CMO, like anything in higher tier businesses, positions, each one of them has to prove themselves. And in business, like if one person gets promoted, the other person above them gets promoted. It's like a big ladder and you have to wait for that. No opinion on that, but your like promotion shouldn't be dictated by people going ahead of you. It should be dictated on like how you prove that to that specific company, what you bring to the table and all that stuff. Not like someone's ahead of you, they get promoted first and then you get promoted and it goes down the line. But that's how the business world is structured. And if you're not in business, like in anything, like it's all about kind of like building your character out, your reputation out. How are you going to perceive to people that don't know you or people that know you, friends or family? Do you have a good track record or bad track record? If you don't, how are you going to fix that? How are you going to improve in present day time to do that? How are you going to fix yourself now to really improve yourself now and 5, 10, 15 years down the line? And same thing with investing. I tell everyone, suggest not a financial advisor, long-term investing. There's no such thing as getting rich quick. If you want to make money passively over the long term, successfully, compounded, invest long term. That's why I'm ingraining this in this video. You're gonna learn from mistakes and that's it. And each and every single week I reflect, did I become a better investor? Are my investments paying off from 6 or even a year or so or not? Are they going up in value? If they're not, why is that? Does the market pricing them wrong? Does the market think they're not going anywhere? Are you keeping up with the latest news on specific companies you're investing into? If you're investing into individual stocks, are you investing into the correct ETF or index fund that tracks the market? And just kind of like summing up this video, like with anything in life, just remember like it's all about just being kind of like consistent with it. That mindset. What's that angle? And just reverse engineering it. Sure, you might have that angle, but what are the milestones you have for each investing process? Is it like having 100K or 500K or your milestones, or $1 million your angle? It could vary. What about your career path? I want to become this specific position. I want to start my own business and become this blank. I want to create systems, have people that have high talent attract for my business. That my mission in life or my mission for my business or statement. And short-term pleasures or satisfactions, sure they give you, I guess, happiness in the short term, but in the long term, will they actually give you happiness? And we could talk about like different things like, or even alcohol, or we could talk about different substances people are addicted to, if you know what I mean. But thank you for watching and peace out.